Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Andy back with another video. Basically, I'm going to do a unboxing of the Lectric XP. This is a 2.0 version, and they actually have a Black Friday sale. So as you can see on the box, it does say Black Friday. So what's the Black Friday sale? It's basically a $50 off the bike. Normally it's $999, $1,000, but they give you $50 off. Plus, they give you $200 worth of accessories that come with the bike. So the first accessory, I believe, is a upgraded premium headlight that should be in there. They give you a bike lock, which is another $50, and they give you a white seat with that. And last is the seat post extension. It's basically it's a suspension seat post. So those are the 4 accessories you get with it. So, you know, they said that it's normally like $1,200 if you're actually gonna buy all those accessories with it. But right now it's on sale as of making this video, $949 with that $50 off and those accessories. So I just got them right now, so I'm gonna try to unbox it and see, you know, what it comes with. So it comes pre-assembled. Right, so I have here the charger. It's actually, I'm just gonna leave the box here. I'm gonna take the bike out first. As you can see here, so I only have myself, so see here, it comes already pre-assembled. So I'm gonna have to get some scissors. I'll be right back. We're gonna cut off all the zip ties. Okay, so we have a lot of zip ties here. Because originally, I actually had the original XP, the first version, and I actually sold it like probably last month, actually 2 months ago in September. And I got rid of it because I know I was going to get this one. So for those who want to know, I bought it for the original price of $899, and I actually sold it for $750. So I mean, I used it about, you know, less than a year, but it only had like 50 miles. So I decided to get this one to replace it. So as for me, I really, it was a good bike, but I actually like the skinnier tires, which are these skinnier. These are 3-inch tires. The original came with 4. Those are wider tires. So I really don't like that. So that's the main reason I got those, the new version. And the other thing that they did was they upgraded the suspension. So now you can see here, they have a suspension fork, you know, which will help with the ride quality. The first one didn't have it. So those are a few reasons why I'm deciding to upgrade this. But everything else is almost the same exact. The mounting racks are different as well of the new version. They have wider handlebars for this version. So that's another thing that they upgraded. And as you see here, the controls, they are upgraded as well on the side controls. So this is a lot of. All right, so the battery is actually already inside. So if you guys get this Black Friday sale, the battery comes already shipped with it inside. So you do have to attach the handlebars, as you can see. And apparently you don't get the accessories of, you don't get two. So basically they replace the lights with, you know, the Black Friday deal. So they're pre-installed the seating post and the seat. So it really comes pre-installed. So it's not like you get an extra accessory. It's basically like a replacement of those accessories. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that here. I'm just doing this by myself, so I don't have anybody to hold the bike for me. So there's a lot of unboxing videos. So I don't know. I didn't see anybody unbox the Black Friday sale one, so that's why I'm doing it. So they attach the keys here. So it's in blue, so you can't miss it. So these are the keys. This is for the battery underneath. And let me get these out of the way. So you see there the upgraded headlights. So this goes like that. And this goes over here. So obviously, I'm just gonna put this on, and I'm gonna make my adjustments later. Right. So I'm filming right now, sorry. I don't know, sorry, I'm filming. That's pretty weird. I just have a nosy neighbor somewhere. I have a nosy neighbor that's asking how much this is. That's just I'm filming. But anyway, here's the seat. Okay, so I got most of the plastic out. I left out the controller, display controller. So this is the charger. And this is the folding bike lock. So this is how it comes with. So it comes with separately the charger and the folding lock, and the owner's manual. And so the key, this basically goes right underneath. Let me get this angle. So it just goes right underneath here. So I'm gonna take this controller out for the display. Okay, so here's the bike. This is the display. This is a Shimano gear selector. Like I said, the battery is ready in the actual bike. Here's the seat, the extra wide seat, the suspension seat post. This is the upgraded light. And this is a rear light in the back. This is the bike mount. So I'm gonna do more videos on this. Since right now it's getting colder, so it's gonna be tough doing some videos to test it out and ride. But there's plenty of videos who people are actually testing it out. So I just got it today. So I might be maybe just riding it if it's real nice. So just want to do a video on a quick unboxing of this Lectric 2.0 electric bike. So, and this is the Black Friday deal. So that'll be all. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. It does help me out. Appreciate it. I'm starting now, so I'm gonna try to do more videos, you know, on this, on my bike and cars and stuff like that. And I'm putting up some, you know, vacation videos. So I appreciate it if you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Until the next video.